All right, get our wok on to a medium to medium high heat. I'm going to go ahead and add the oil into there. Let that get hot. Our garlic in there. Let that start perfuming the wok a little bit. All right, we got our oil and that garlic is starting to cook. Then we just kind of throw everything in that by size. Put our peppers in there. They're cut the biggest, they're going to take the longest. Let's get our mushrooms in there as well. We'll just start stir frying this up. Get everything coated with that oil and that garlic. And let that cook a little bit. Go ahead and add the carrots and the snow peas in there. I'm just going to open up a little hole in the center there, put our spinach right in there. Mix up our sauce. I'm not going to put it in there yet. I'm going to cook this spinach down just a little bit. Spinach is starting to wilt. The aroma coming off this is fantastic. Go ahead and throw our sauce in here on this. Stir it up again. Put our noodles in here into the middle here with the liquid. And we'll stir fry this all as well. Alright, well this is basically done. We're going to go ahead and plate this up.